Hello, welcome to Tech Dive. Let's dive into our today's problem, find the difference. It says you are given two strings S and T. String T is generated by random shuffling string S and then add one more letter at a random position. Return the letter that was added to T. So we have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. So this E is added newly, right? So that is our answer. If we see the constraint, it will only include the lowercase English letters. So let's just do an approach. So where I'll have the frequency of each character, let's say new int 26. Let's just loop over the character, each character. So S is my source string. So let's just increment that character. And once I loop over the other string, I'll just decrement the same. At any point, if while decrementing it is less than 0, that means this was not available here, which is why the count is less than it turned to be negative. We'll just return this is your character. Otherwise, for the sake of compilation, we'll just return null. So let's just hit submit. We see runtime is 2 milliseconds, which beats most of the case others. There's one thing that if you noticed here, this problem is almost similar to, let's say, given an array which has duplicates apart from one single, which is this E. So everything is duplicated, A, B, B, C, C, D, D. One is left. Maybe we can use the same approach rather than using an external array. So let's have that resultant string as 0, resultant character. Then for each character, I'll just do XOR with that resultant because anyway the duplicates will cancel out each other and I'll be left with the actual one single character which repeats only one time. Okay, let's just do something like this. So this sort annotation implicitly do a cast for me. Let's just hit submit. Yep, this looks good. That's about it. Thank you.